Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here. I'm flying my M2 Evo, Omphobby M2 Evo, once again at my favorite place. It's a windy day, and today, if you can see, I also have the stick cam, so you can see the stick moves that I'm doing and see how we fly RC helicopters. What are the stick moves like when we are flying the RC helicopter? Before we continue, please take a few seconds to check out my channel memberships. As a channel member, not only you support our channel and our work in these tough times, but also you get access to members only coolest perks. The links are in video description, so go ahead, check it out. I look forward to welcoming you as my channel members. So the wind is coming from my back. I like to keep the helicopters. I like to fly helicopters when winds are coming from behind or front, so they give you more chances to do your aerobatics without getting bothered by, you know, side wind, which actually can make you lose a whole lot. Oh, almost lost it there because I'm trying to pull the pyro flips, but that didn't go very right. Yeah, I hear that tail for the very first time screaming like that. All right, I think that's enough. The battery should be like, come on man, give me a break. So we should give the battery a break also now. Gotta improve my skills, people. These helicopters can do much more than I could actually perform. So let's land. I hope the stick cam has done a good job. I normally, try to turn around like that, natural reflexes when flying RC helicopters. But hopefully everything goes right. And stay tuned for next video where I will show you how to easily set up this helicopter with Radio Master TX16S.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button.